Hello, hi, welcome to our channel. Yesterday we were discussing meaning, definition and characteristics of management. Today we will be discussing objectives of management, importance of management and functions of management. Now let us discuss objectives of management. The main objectives of management: getting maximum result with minimum effort, and also creating a prosperity employee and employer. Management ensures smooth and coordinated functions of the enterprise. So now we are discussing what are the factors consist objectives of management. Number one, organizational objectives. Organizational objectives also known as economical objectives. So organizational objectives consist three factors. Number one, survival. So any organization without earning enough revenues to cover the cost, they can't able to survive in a market. And next one, profit. In order to survive a company, they may be earning a inadequate profit, because without earning the profit, any organization not sustain for a longer period in a market, being a businessman or any enterprise. And third one, growth. It is a measured by success of the organization to growth rate. Growth refers in terms of measured sales volume of the organization, profit of the organization, and manufacturing the product of the organization. So we need growth in any organization. And next one, social objectives. Second one, social objectives. Social objectives deals with the commitment of the society towards society. With the commitment of the organization, we may be getting the benefits being a society. Number one, creating employment opportunities and concentrate the neglected areas. And second one, providing quality product to reasonable rate. And third one, timely and honestly making a payment. It means tax to the respected government. So social objectives. And also giving one more point, we are using the eco-friendly technology in a production process. And next one, personal objectives. It is purely related to employees. We are providing a competitive salary to the employees. And social recognition and fear. And next, when we are providing the or fulfill the needs and wants of the employees, they may be Well, it is helps to the increasing the productivity in a organization, and also it is helps to the boosting the morality of the employees towards the organization. So these are all the objectives of organization. Now we can move the importance of management. Importance of management indicate we need to know the management concept and thoughts, whether how to eliminate the unnecessary process in a organization, or how to reduce the cost in a production process, or how to motivate the employees, or how to lead the groups. So that's why we have to study the importance of management. Number one, management helps in achieving group goals. Being a management, giving a proper guidelines and directing to the employees, it is helps to the achieve the group goals of the organization. When we are push up the employees in individually, it is helps to the cover the organizational goals. And next one, management increases efficiency. Management increases efficiency. As a manager, they are leading properly or maximum utilization of the human resource or natural resource. For instance, man, material, money. So when we are using properly, it is helps to the increasing the efficiency of the employees and overcome the problems arising whether running a production process or assigning the task to guiding the employees. Then it is very helpful to achieve the specific goals of the organization. So third one, management create a dynamic organization. Management creates a dynamic organization. In any changes, either policies or technologies or any updated version, we can implement in an organization with the help of the managers or guidance from the top level management. We may be giving a proper guidance to the employees. They are accepting or adapting the any changes in an organization. So that's why it is creating a dynamic organization. And next one, achieving personal objectives. When we are giving a specific task to the employees in the organization, during the period, if perceiving the or if performing the functions, he may be gaining the more skills, ideas, and developing personality for performing specific task. It is helps to the achieving the organizational goals. Meantime, it is helps to the developing a person. Being a employees is developing is personal. And next one, development of society. Development of society. When organization giving a quality goods to the society, are adopting the new technologies, are creating the awareness relating to the any issues occurring the in around the organization. So management itself explaining or overcoming the problems are giving a right directions to the society. That's why we are saying that under the importance of management, development of society. Now we are discussing functions of management. Our management thinker Luther Gulick is giving a keyword post called P represent planning, O represent organizing, and D represent directing, controlling, budgeting, reporting. So now we are discussing planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. So first we know the planning. Planning in a simple meaning is nothing but think in advance. Every organization before commencing the activities, they make one plan. So planning consists setting objectives and targets and are formulating an action plan, because what to do, where to do, whom should we do, it is consistent in a planning. And next one, organizing. After making the plan, we willing to execute that plan, but that plan required some of the sources are proper picture of the doing a process in organization. So in organizing, assigning the duties and grouping a task and clearly define the authority and responsibility relationship. And next one, staffing, finding and placing right person, right job in a right time. So we require who holding the competency to do the particular task are performing a achieving our organizational specific goals. That's why we require to right person in a right time. And next one, directing, leading and motivating, leading the group and motivating the employees to achieve organizational goals and objectives within a time bomb. That's why we need to properly coordinate and directing to the we were engaged in a process of organization. It means production process or any activities in an organization. And next one, controlling, monitoring organizational activities towards the attainment of organizational goals. Yesterday, we said management consists continuous process. So likewise, we have to controlling the process from initially up to reach the our organizational goals and objectives. So that's why we are discussing we should know being a manager or entrepreneurs of any organization, we need to know the functions of the organization, functions of the management. Thank you. Today we were complete objectives of management, importance of management and functions of management. Tomorrow we will be discussing levels of management, management as an art, science or profession. Thank you once again.